SI Systems is pleased to introduce another smart assembly conveyor solution for manufacturing. This unique system is used to assemble massive articulated type agricultural tractors with a final assembled weight in excess of 60,000 pounds. The system utilizes 4 SI conveyors to process the assembly. The assembly process begins on a mainline indexing conveyor. On this section of the conveyor, the tractor is assembled and supported by 2 tow-line carts, one to carry the front axle half of the unit, while the other supports the rear axle half of the tractor. This mainline indexing conveyor allows the alternating front and rear tow-line carts to be populated with front and rear axle assemblies and other power transmission sub-assemblies. This indexing mainline conveyor is configured in a U shape. At the midpoint, where the conveyor turns 180 degrees, the rear half carts divert off, leaving the front half carts to continue their movement along the conveyor for the addition of cab sub-assemblies and other parts. The index speed of this mainline conveyor is 20 feet per minute, and each index is 44 feet in length. The rear half carts that exited the mainline indexing conveyor enter onto a side finger indexing conveyor. This conveyor section has 3 workstations that allow additional buildup of the rear half of the tractors. The rear half of the tractor merges back onto the mainline indexing conveyor and appears to be lagging behind the downstream most front half. At this point in the assembly, the 2 halves of the tractor are physically connected by virtue of the drive shaft and other connecting parts, such as the main pivot assembly. The now joined halves of the tractor must be positioned to the starting point of the mainline creeping conveyor section. To accomplish this, a short auxiliary side finger conveyor section is utilized to advance the connecting tractor so that it can be powered by the creeping line through all the final assembly stations. A separate mainline creeping conveyor is used to convey the sections through the final assembly operations after the 2 articulating portions have been joined. This conveyor runs at a variable speed of 0.25 to 0.75 feet per minute and is capable of conveying 448,000 pounds of gross moving load. At this point, only one cart is connected to the drive chain's power, as the 2 tractor hands are mechanically connected. When the tractor's assembly is removed, the empty pair of carts are both returned to the staging area to be re-engaged onto the indexing conveyor where the build process begins. This simple but ingenious assembly solution has saved Case New Holland thousands of manufacturing hours and allowed them a return on investment in less than 1 year. SI Systems, the smart choice to drive manufacturing profits every day.